Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at the 2014 Yamaha Bolt 950 R-Spec. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 Yamaha Bolt R-Spec with 16,258 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with a saddleman seat, an aftermarket exhaust, an aftermarket stage 1 intake, and aftermarket handlebars. We have installed new front and rear tires. Powered by a 942cc V-twin engine, the Bolt puts 60 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.1-gallon fuel capacity, the Bolt has a 110 to 150-mile range. It has a 27.2-inch seat height and a 545-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Bolt will need passenger footrests and passenger handholds. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output of 14 volts, installed new tires, and took this bike for a test ride. Our technician noted that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the rear fender, and a scuff on the turn signal housing. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.